As questions are being raised on the COVID death figures, big relief to the Delhi government under Arvind Kejriwal from the Delhi High Court. The Delhi High Court has rejected a plea seeking the scrapping of the Delhi government's death audit committee that was set up to scrutinize death data caused by COVID-19. The court has found no arbitrariness or discrimination and no false fabrication of data. This is huge relief for Arvind Kejriwal and the Delhi government that had come under attack primarily from the BJP on allegations of fudging or withholding death data under the ambit of the Death Audit Committee. India Today's Ankit Tyagi breaking the story first here on India Today. Ankit, huge relief, considering the high voltage politics that was played out over the death figures courtesy the Delhi government. This is going to be very big relief for Chief Minister Kejriwal.
This absolutely has come as a shot in arm for the Kejriwal government, Shiv. In fact, this PIL, which had been filed by the Indian Lawyers Union through an advocate, Mr. Fidel Sebastian, in this PIL, the lawyer had asked the court to pass an order for the Delhi government to, in fact, publish every single day within 24 hours the number of deaths they are receiving from the various hospitals, both private and public. They had also asked the government, the High Court, to in fact pass an order to scrap the Delhi Death Audit Committee. Now, on this, the High Court has in fact gone ahead and given relief to the government of Delhi. The High Court, in its judgment, has said that having heard the learned counsel for the parties and looking at the facts and circumstances of the case, it appears that the whole case of the petitioner is based upon presumption and summarizes the same has been filed on the basis of some newspaper reports. The court has also said, Shiv, that there is no doubt that the members of the committee are expert in their field and there is no need for this committee to be disbanded. The membership, this was the committee to, in special cases like in the cases of dengue, chikungunya and other outbreaks, was mandated by the Supreme Court, and this is the norm which has been followed all across the country post that order.
Thanks, Ankit, for getting us the latest on that. Big relief for the Kejriwal government in Delhi.